Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing on Elasticsearch. So actually, Elasticsearch is a very big topic. So we will be in this particular video, we will be discussing about how can we create an index using Python and how can we write a get query, update query, and how can we delete an index. So these are the few topics that we are planning to cover. Also, like I will show you simple APIs to query against Elasticsearch. Okay. So those who are not aware of what is Elasticsearch, so this is their official site. So we can see that Elasticsearch is a distributed, free, open search and the analytics engine for all type of data, including textual, numerical, geospatial, structured and the unstructured. Okay, and it is built by Apache Lucene. Okay, and it was first released on 2010, and it is very useful. I mean very fast. We can say for the searching and the analytics operation, and they will be saving the data as a JSON format, and Elasticsearch provides us few simple REST APIs so that we can directly query against the Elasticsearch. Okay, and if you want to know more about the Elasticsearch, you guys can go and check this. Okay, so I am coming to our Jupyter notebook. So few prerequisites are there. First, we need to install the Docker. Then we need to run the Elasticsearch. Okay, so these are the very simple step. This links specifically says the steps. Okay, so next you need to install the Elasticsearch. You can do the pip install Elasticsearch for the Python package. Okay, now we can start the coding part. So here first we will create a new index and I will show you how can the query against this particular index. For that, maybe let me first have a date time here. Date time. Now we can import the Elasticsearch. Okay, from we can Elasticsearch from import Elasticsearch. Now we can create a object of Elasticsearch like this. Okay, so now we have created the Elasticsearch object. Now, so we said that we will be saving it as a JSON format, right? So we can create a JSON format, a document here. We can say that I will say author 1. Okay, and I can say text or the description, maybe description. This is my first description. Just a few dummy data, and to understand the date and time, I can give date time dot now. Now I can give the read count. Okay, so these are the I can give read count, and by default I set it as a 0. So the document is created. Now we can see how can we create the index. So that is for there is a specific function is there, es.index. Here we can give the index name as my book. Now I can give ID as 1. I believe that's it. Okay, can just execute it, but okay, we are missing the body. Sorry, you can give body as doc. So index has been created. We can check that print result. Okay, so here we can see result as a created. Okay, now if you run it again, just run it again. See, we can see that it is changed to updated because now it is updating the record by using this particular ID. Now we can see how can we do the get operation. So for that there is a get method is there. Here definitely we need to mention the particular index, and I can say that ID equal to 1. Okay, this can be assigned to 1. es.get index is equal to sorry not my, it's my book, and ID equal to 1. Now I can print the result. Okay, So here I got that exact result. Now to get the content only, I can print res. It's a dictionary format, right? Everything is in a dictionary format, so it's very, you can print the source. So this is the exact source, and if you want to get the author, I can type like maybe author, I will get the author, and if I want to get the description, I can get it like this. Okay, so this is a kind of a dictionary, or this is a dictionary, we can do all the dictionary operations. Okay, so now we can do the update operation. So before doing the update operation, I will show you few simple REST API. Okay, so this is my postman, here we can, so this is my index name, and this is the ID of that index, that particular document. So we can use simple postman, get API and the post API to get the result that we have discussed at the beginning, right? That is one of the nice features of Elasticsearch. So here I am giving the address, and I am giving my index name, then I am giving the ID of the particular document to fetch that. So I can just run it. So this will give us the same result. Okay, this will give us a all the result with respect to this particular ID. Okay, now if you want to update that, we can use the same method. So here we can use the postman, or we can use anything similar to postman to update the record. So here we have that here we have the get, right? Here I have changed to post, then I can enter the URL, then my index name and my operation. So my operation is update _update, and I can give the ID. Okay, ID as 1, the document ID. Now let me increase the read count to 1. Okay, so this is my body. Now let me run this. It says successful. Okay, we can cross check that. Let me come here and run it. See, it is increased to 1. Okay, now let me go to my Jupyter notebook. Here we can run it again. So we can see that read count as, where is the read count? Yeah, here the read count as 1. Okay, so what we can do, so there are several methods with we can do the update operation. So I prefer this particular method, it is very easy. Okay, for that we can import package called request. Okay, now we can mention the URL. So let me copy the URL from the postman. So let me paste it here. Sorry. So this is my URL. Now let me paste the body also. Sorry, update, this is my URL. I have selected the wrong one, so let me correct it. This is my update, is my URL. Now let me take the body. So this is my body. You can say that maybe JSON equal to, this is my body. So let me run these two things. Now we can do the update operation. So it is very simple. We have the request, that package has a method called a post. Okay, now if you look on this one, we can see that it has a URL is equal to URL, then JSON equal to JSON. Okay. Before that, let me add it to 10. I am going to execute this post method. Now print result. So we are getting the 200 as a result. So that means it is updated successfully. Now maybe we can try to execute it again. Let's see. Then print result. See, we can see that read count has been updated to 10. Okay. Now we can see how can we delete an index. Delete an index is very simple. So I will show you in the postman. So you can convert this into the Python code. Okay, just like the update, you can do maybe it's like say assignment. Okay. So here, very simple, what I can do, I can select the delete, then I can do that index name. I can give the URL, then I can give the index name. Okay, I am going to run this one. It says acknowledge true. Now let me go and run this particular get operation. You can see that. See, it says index not found exception. This particular index is removed. Okay. Now I can again go to our particular Jupyter notebook. Now I can run this select operation. See see, we are getting a error here also. Not found index, not found exception. The same exception that we are getting here. Okay. So that is all about in this particular video. I hope everybody enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.